What if I told you, with only $1,000, you can begin to build your empire today? Sounds too good to be true? Stay tuned, as in the next 6 minutes, I break down how you can invest that first $1,000 and start your way to financial freedom. For a chance to participate in our upcoming giveaways, comment $4 on this video. So, why should you start investing your first $1,000? Well, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's time to move past feelings of discouragement and stop passively consuming content about becoming wealthy. Take action now and start investing immediately. Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. But let's face it, the world of investing can be intimidating for beginners. That's why we're breaking it down step by step. Let's focus on setting a strong financial base. Start by having an emergency fund ready, ideally enough to cover 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. This financial cushion helps you invest more securely and with confidence. Once you have that in place, you're ready to start using your $1,000 for investment. Now you might be wondering, is $1,000 too small to make an impact? Not at all. Even a modest amount can be the start of something big. The key is not the size of your initial investment, but the habit of investing regularly and smartly. Take that first step today and let your money begin to grow. How can you turn $1,000 into more money? Let's explore some effective options. Index funds and ETFs. These are collections of stocks or bonds that track a specific market index. They offer diversification, lower risk, and typically have low fees. Think of it as buying a tiny piece of many different companies, which helps spread out your risk. Here are some great choices. S&P 500 Index Fund. This fund tracks the 500 largest companies in the U.S., providing broad market exposure and historically strong returns. It's a reliable way to invest in a diverse range of large-cap stocks. Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. This ETF offers exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, including small, mid, and large-cap stocks. It captures the performance of the overall market, making it a comprehensive investment option. Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, BND. This fund invests in a diversified portfolio of U.S. toward government and corporate bonds. It provides a lower-risk alternative to stocks and is ideal for those seeking stability and consistent income. Passive income investments. Consider investing in assets that generate regular income, such as dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or peer-to-peer lending. These investments can provide a steady cash flow, which can be reinvested to compound your returns. The key benefit is creating a reliable income stream that works for you even when you're not actively managing it. Here are a few options. Dividend-paying stocks. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Coca-Cola offer regular dividends. Investing in these can provide a steady income stream, and reinvesting those dividends can amplify your returns over time. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms such as Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects without purchasing property directly. You can earn passive income from rental payments and potential property appreciation. Peer-to-peer lending. Services like Lending Club or Prosper enable you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can create a reliable source of income with potential returns based on the interest rates set by borrowers. Personal development. Investing in yourself can yield some of the highest returns. Consider using part of your $1,000 for courses, certifications, or other educational opportunities. For example, coding boot camps. Programs like Codecademy or Lewagon teach programming skills that are in high demand in the tech industry. Learning to code can open up high-paying job opportunities or allow you to start your own tech ventures. Digital marketing courses. Platforms such as Coursera or Udemy offer courses on SEO, social media marketing, and Google Ads. Mastering these skills can help you start or grow a business or enhance your career prospects in the digital economy. Public speaking workshops. Courses from Toastmasters or local workshops can help improve your communication skills. Effective public speaking can boost your career, enhance networking abilities, and increase your earning potential across various fields. By considering these options, you can effectively invest your initial $1,000 and set the stage for long-term financial growth. Remember, diversification is key to risk management. After all, you must not put all your eggs in one basket. But by diversifying your money between different types of asset classes and across a range of industries, you can reduce how much the poor performance from any one investment may set you back. This creates a diversified portfolio with less susceptibility to market volatility. Remember, investing isn't a quick path to wealth. It demands patience and regular effort. Make it a routine to invest consistently, even if it's just a modest amount each month. This method, known as dollar cost averaging, allows you to purchase more shares when prices are lower and fewer when prices are higher, helping to smooth out market fluctuations. For more insights on cultivating effective habits for financial success, check out my video on mastering the habits of millionaires. Also, don't forget that savings are crucial for maintaining a healthy cash flow, which supports your investment strategy and overall financial stability. To enhance your investing journey, leverage the right tools and resources. Apps like Robinhood, Vanguard, and Fidelity, top choices for effectively managing your investments. For further education, consider reading essential books such as The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I personally found The Intelligent Investor especially valuable in my investing journey, and you can find a link to purchase it in the description below. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed and confident investment decisions. Investing your first $1,000 can significantly impact your financial future. Start by setting clear goals, establishing a solid financial foundation, selecting the right investments, diversifying your portfolio, and staying consistent. Every successful investment journey begins with a single step. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Buff Bank for more expert tips on finance, investing, and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.